మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, వెల్కమ్ టు South Asia Maps. This is Education Channel. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy Joggari Tirupati Reddy. Mitruna, we are continuing our Aurangzeb series. A very prominent ruler of Bharat, ruled round about 50 years, survived for 90 years, with an active political military career in the Mughal Empire for 72 years. He left a very uncomfortable legacy for us. Knowing about Aurangzeb, his family, and his sons will throw a deeper understanding to discern the current socio-political economic niches of Bharat in the post-Radcliffe time, partition time. Part 4D, Aurangzeb's sons, Prince Akbar. That is the topic of today's discussion. ఈ దినము ఔరంగజేబు యొక్క కుమారుడు ప్రిన్స్ అక్బర్, షహజాదా అక్బర్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. This is our Aurangzeb series. We are in part 4D, Prince Akbar. Previously, we discussed about Prince Azam Shah, Muazzam Bahadur Shah Alam I, a bird's eye view of Aurangzeb's all sons, a bird's eye view and details of Aurangzeb's 4 consorts, wives before. All these presentations, for your convenience, I have posted them at my education channel, South Asia Maps JRD. There are around about 780 presentations, videos as of 2025 April Rama Navami time. I have put them in round about 75 or so playlists. You can pick and choose. South Asia Maps JRD. About Aurangzeb's one time most favorite son, Prince Akbar. Before we looked under, when we were talking about Aurangzeb's wives and children, and Aurangzeb has 4 wives, Dilras Banu Begum, Nawab Bai, Aurangabadi Mahal, Udayapuri Mahal, 10 children, among which 5 are daughters, 5 are sons. This is the chronological order. Princess or consort, Padshahi Begum, Dilras Banu Begum gave him 5 children, among which 3 are daughters, Jabun, Jeenat, Jubdat. 2 are sons, Muhammad Azam, Muhammad Akbar. So, we are talking about Muhammad Akbar today, or Prince Akbar today. Why should we know about Aurangzeb? Because Aurangzeb has left us very uncomfortable legacy. The partition, Radcliffe Line, 1946 Direct Action Day in Calcutta, and today's constant social unrest, and everything can be partly or mostly can be traced back to his 50 years legacy as a strong propeller of Qawwatul Islam, that is converting Darul Harbi into Darul Mumini in Bharat. And knowing about such a prominent personality will help us to understand what is happening today. Aurangzeb was born 1618, passed away 1707, has around about 89-90 years life, 50 years rule. 25 years ruled from North India, 25 years from South India. Ruled a population of 150 million at the time when he passed away, in a world that is a population of round about 700 million people. Aurangzeb birth 1817-07. This diagram gives a brief outlook of his first viceroyalty in Deccan 36 to 44, second viceroyalty in Deccan 52 to 57, 58. War of Succession broke out, wrested the crown in 58 to May, became the emperor, ruled around about 25 years, Mughal Empire from North India, Aryavarta region, descended to Aurangabad, ruled and fought against Marathas for 25 years in what is called a Sisyphus syndrome, a fruitless, endless effort Aurangzeb did. That's current what is happening, the current politics, even after potting five Subhas, how to solve the Mumini problem in India post Radcliffe Line. Sisyphus syndrome. Here I am giving a brief description. So 1657, during second viceroyalty in Deccan, Prince Akbar was born in Aurangabad in Marathwada region to his mother Dilras Banu Begum. His mother passed away within a month or so after giving birth to the boy. His full siblings, sisters, brother, means same father, same mother, are three sisters, Jebun, Jeenat, Jubdat, Visa, and also his senior brother, Azam. Remaining were half brothers or sisters. So he was the most favorite son, called full-blooded. Full-blooded means father is from the Timur dynasty, Timurid, Turani, whereas the mother is from Safavid, the Irani dynasty. So all the three princesses, Jebun, Jibdat, Jinat, Jebun, Jubdat, as well as Azam and Akbar, considered to be full-blooded, royal-blooded. After the death of Jaswant Singh Rathod, prominent general stationed at Jamrad near Peshawar Basin south of Khyber Pass, passed away 1678. Easy to remember, 1678 December. Aurangzeb decided to annex his Watan territory, homeland, Jodhpur kingdom, Marwari kingdom, west of Aravallis, that Rajputs resisted under the leadership of Durga Das Rathod. Rajput rebellion broke down. And across the Aravallis, Sisodias joined the rebellion because Sisodia's princess was the mother of the boy, that is Ajit Singh. So Aurangzeb called his other son from Bengal, was Viceroy Azam, and Muazzam was there, and Prince Akbar. They are all employed, and Aurangzeb himself stayed in Ajmer in the Aravalli basin. Three sons were the prominent generals, and Prince Akbar was not successful in resisting the Sisodias across the Aravallis. He was transferred in the west, and he was discomfited, and finally he came under the influence of Sisodias and Rathors, declared himself as emperor at a place called Nadol, the historic town and village in the Pali district, close to the Marwar railway junction. And the rebellion fizzled out. Within 1 or 2 weeks, the Finns panicked and fled or escorted by Durgadas Rathod to Shambhaji's court. He lived there for a couple of years. And when his father came chasing him, and during 1687, during the siege of Bijapur, he further panicked and fled to Persia. From Sambhaji's court, 1686 September, just at the time of annexation of Bijapur kingdom, disappointed because the Marathas were too busy, and Shambhaji realized that he doesn't have any military qualities or no money, no army, so he couldn't do much. So he sailed to Persia. And in Persia, he passed away 1704 and buried in a town Mashhad in Khorasan and the Imam Raja Shrine. That is in brief. Here what I am showing is the places that were important in his life. Agra Suba, Malwa region. This is the Marwari territory. Rathors ruled across the Aravallis. East side is the Mewat territory. And he lived in the Maratha territory after rebellion, finally fled to Persia. So this is where the prince fled. So this is the Aravali mountains. Father was the Ajmer in the Pali region. In the Pali district near Desuri, there is a town called village Nadol, where the prince rebelled. His father was in Ajmer along with Muazzam and Azam. The rebellion failed, and the prince. This is the Ajmer. This is the Pali region. I have given that Nadol, where Prince Akbar rebelled against his father, crowned himself with the Rathors and Sisodia's support as the emperor. That's the Nadol there. That's the Desuri, Nala, Ghat are passed to Bharat Plateau. You see the Nadol that is near Pali. You can see that there is a famous temple also there, Durga Mata temple. So Nadol, near Pali and Desuri, this is the Balotra and Jodhpur will be somewhere here. Jodhpur, Pali and Nadol. So that is the Prince Akbar, favorite son of Aurangzeb before he rebelled. So he was born in Aurangabad, passed away in Mashhad. Born in Aurangabad. Passed away 1709 or so. He was buried as usual in Islamic. After conversion, the people have no respect their land or cultural spiritual heritage. They also would like to be buried somewhere. He was buried in Imam Raja Shrine in Mashhad in Khorasan. Aurangzeb passed away 1707. At the time, population of the world was 710 million is estimated here. We rounded it to 700 or so, among which 150 million people lived. Prince Akbar, most favorite son. So that's about Aurangzeb, his family. We have taken his one time the most favorite son, Prince Akbar, who rebelled in Rajputana and passed away, and he fled to Khorasan here in the Persian Safavid Empire and died 3 years roundabout before the demise of his father and buried in Imam Raja Shrine in Mashhad, Khorasan region adjoining the Baluchistan and Afghania. So that's about the today's discussion, and you can post your comments and suggestions, even share this information with your friends. And next time we'll see Muhammad Sultan, the eldest son who was interned, imprisoned and informally executed by Aurangzeb after the son's rebellion. Thank you very much, Mitranam. See you later in other presentation. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy Jogari Tirupati Reddy, South Asia Maps.